How to turn off shortcut notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. The Shortcuts app lets you create custom automations to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is on. Once you are inside the app, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Automation tab. On the Automation page, you will see a list of all your created automations. Tap on the specific automation for which you want to disable notifications. This will take you to the edit screen for that automation. Here, you will find an option called Notify When Run. Tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. Once the toggle is disabled, tap on Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily turn off shortcut notifications on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.